What's up, ladies and gentlemen? Q back here again with another video for you. And today's video, I'm going to do the first mod since I sold my Fiesta. This mod I'm going to do is some side skirts on here. I bought some carbon fiber side skirts that I'm about to get installed today. So I'm on my way to the installer's house now. So with that, make sure you like, comment, subscribe, hit the notification bell. And I'm about to load the car up with it. Hopefully it fits in the Camaro. I think it should if I can fold the seats. I don't think I ever tried to do that before. But let's go ahead and get it in. I'll show you all the side skirts once I get in there. Car seats again. Got this giant box. About as long as the car. But we're gonna see. I'm convinced the Camaro is the most practical car on the planet. So we are up in here. Got the seats folded down and got it all the way through the trunk. Shout out to GM. Didn't even have to take anything out the trunk. Alright, let me go get my coffee and we're gonna get to getting. Shoes matching my car. Sure this ain't yours?
Ain't that something? Yeah, these are gonna be real nice. Yep.
So you say you're gonna use what kind of screws instead
it's
of?
It's gonna be a coated stainless screw with a rubber gasket on it. And the reason why you want the rubber gasket, because let me show you. See these? They got a rubber gasket there.
Mm-hmm.
And the other gasket is going to seal to that
off
the screw. And then I'll coat the screw with silicone. That way, lock out all your moisture.
Okay, cool.
Yeah.
Let me see how this carbon fiber hits in the sun. Yeah. That is going to be quite nice. Back after this is done, about to finish up my arm tattoo. Got Shadow here, Chaos Emerald. Gonna get the other side. So Shine, Big Shine here, not the rapper. Lil Shine is the rapper, but not the MC rapper. We got a slingshot. Oh, these things are a stick?
Yeah. Yep.
I gotta get me one. That's all I drive.
Oh, that's all you drive?
Yeah.
Well, you look, this got turbo on it.
It's a turbo? What kind of engine?
It's actually the Chevy Cruise motor is in it.
What?
Yeah, with a turbo.
That's how they come?
Yeah. No, I had the turbo put on.
Oh,
they
okay.
come with the Chevy Cruise motor.
That's a nice one. Are these like 20s?
Those are 20s all the way around.
Man.
You gotta have fun if you don't do it. I redid the seats and all the texture, made it all smooth. Instead of that black texture all the other ones have.
Yeah, that's real nice. You got this to match the car. That's a Bonneville?
Yep, that's got me.
What? This man is doing some things.
Yeah, I'm definitely gonna go with it. But these would be.
So we got the greatest tattoo artist alive here, BDTattz.
Trying to, you know what it is.
Legendary. Link gonna be in the description below.
Oh yeah.
Definitely the best I've seen with the anime. Got Vegeta. You got everything, man. Everything. Check out his Instagram page.
Trying to have it. I'm getting there.
Oh yeah, check out this cabinet right here.
More to come.
He did some of my work too. Well, all of my work that y'all will see. Getting some more today. So I'm all done. Got a Yami Merrick from Yu-Gi-Oh! Look real good. Forgot to show this case over here too. Alright, so I'm walking to get the Camaro, the tattoo shop, and where I'm getting my car done is literally a block apart. So I'm about to check out these side skirts. It's all done. See that lovely beast from here? All set to go. Let me get a close-up of everything. Hopefully the sun comes back up. So here we are on the Camaro. Let me step back a little bit. Sorry to get on your nice manicured lawn, man. So he said, how much did you have to trim off?
An inch off the back and a quarter inch off the front.
Okay, because unfortunately for these, they didn't fit flush, so that's why I brought it to the man that knew how to do the job. Do it the right way. So now I'm looking like a poor man's ZL1 minus the wing. Check out the other side. Wish the sun was shining, but take what we can get for now. That looks real good. And it goes with the gas cap here too, which probably won't show up on the camera. Oh yeah. Forgot about the boiler. Carbon fiber here. Gas cap. And the skirts. And we're not done yet. Oh, there go the sun. So that's gonna wrap up today's video. Let me know what you think about these carbon fiber side skirts. And right now I'm headed somewhere to do another mod. So if you made it to the end of the video, thank you very much for tuning in with me. And yeah, let me know what you think about these. I'm about to drop the car off. Camaro's gonna be gone for about 3 days. So make sure you stay tuned for my next video. With that being said, bumpy road. So I'm Q the Chaotic. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe, hit the notification bell, and we'll check you out on the next video. Peace out.